morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog and welcome to our first official vlog on the new camera. I am so excited to get to play with it more. I played with it a little bit yesterday while I wasn't vlogging, and it's just so fun seeing it in natural light because I know the last time that we played with it on the vlog, it was nighttime, so it's sort of hard to tell what it's really gonna look like. I've had quite the morning. I am in a fight with Molly Cat, and I'm gonna tell you that whole story. But first, I wanted to thank Stereo for sponsoring this vlog and talk to you guys a little bit about it. I know I've mentioned this previously. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've probably seen it. But basically, I'm doing a live show on Stereo. Today, when this vlog goes live, is actually going to be my third show. It's going to be at 5 p.m. And today we're gonna be talking all about acting and the acting industry, and you know, it's not too late. If you have any questions or specific things you want us to touch on, you can leave a comment down below. I also asked on Instagram and got some stuff there, so I think it's gonna be a really good show. Actually, my friend Brendan is going to help with that, so that'll be really good. I've actually already done 2 other Stereo shows, and if you guys are not familiar with the app, it is so cute. Basically, it's just a live show that's just about audio. It's not about any video, which is really fun. I'm gonna include a little screen recording right now, that way you can see a little bit of what the app looks like and the way that the avatars move and talk. It's really cute. So actually, both of the shows that I've already done are saved on my profile, so if you want to go and listen to those before my show today, go for it, or really anytime, because they'll all be saved on there. So even if you're not watching this video on the day that it goes live, you can still go and listen to all of my shows. It's a really fun way to connect with the community too, because you guys can actually leave me voice messages that I can play live during the show and respond to, so it's sort of like a little conversation. It's just a really fun way to connect with you guys, something different that I don't really get to do ever. So again, I'm going to be going live today at 5 p.m. on the Stereo app, so make sure you download it. I'm going to have a link down below to download it, and also to my profile. That way you can go and follow me and make sure that you're there for the show. I would love to see you guys there if you're interested, so yeah, please come by. I think it would be really fun. Let me get a sip of my chai here. So good. All right, let me tell you a little bit of this story with Molly Cat. First of all, I just wake up in a sort of sour mood because Molly kept me up the whole night, not doing anything like too crazy. There was only one point where she was like making noise and I had to tell her to stop, but really what she was doing is just like smushing up against my body, where like I couldn't really move. The blanket was like not comfortable on me. I couldn't like move it the way I wanted to. It was just very annoying. So I wake up sort of cranky because of that. I come out here to start the vlog and unbeknownst to me, step in some cat vomit. I'm wearing slippers, so I don't like notice it until I walk into the kitchen and I hear like a little like squishing noise almost. So I'm like, oh my God, and I look down and I stepped in like a lot of vomit. So I was like, thank God I was wearing slippers. I take them into the bathroom, clean them off, it comes off fine. I like wipe off the kitchen where I stepped in it, presumably, and move on with my day. Then I come in here to start the vlog and I notice that there is vomit tracked all over our living room carpet. So then I realized that I must have stepped on it on the carpet, walked all around the carpet, and then gone into the kitchen and noticed it. So I spent the next 20 minutes on my hands and knees scrubbing all of these little spots that I had created because I stepped in Molly's vomit after she kept me up all night. Now I know none of these things are her fault. She wanted to snuggle with me, that's sweet. She got sick, not her fault, but it has been a morning. But the redeeming part of this morning, which I am so excited for, oh my gosh, I can't even begin to tell you guys. I got a text today that our bed is being delivered today, which is so exciting because it was not supposed to get here until Monday, which is like 5 days away. Oh, I am so excited. And it's perfect timing because our sheets and our bedding get here today too. And I was like, oh, it sucks we have to wait so long for the bed, but it is getting here. And that means that we are going to have a king size bed from now on. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see the bed, see what it looks like. I hope that like it just fits my vision. I'm pretty sure that it will. We both really, really like the bed that we picked out, so I am so excited. I just feel like it's really gonna make the room start to come together in the direction that we want it to go. Next up for the bedroom for me is gonna be a new dresser. We also need a rug in there. I think I wanna get a new one for in the bedroom as well. It's just so exciting. So I'm just gonna start in on work. I have quite the to-do list for today, so I really need to get through some of that. Well, this busy day does not seem to be slowing down. It's already, let's see, 12:45, and we're gonna get some lunch going, and then I only have a little bit of time before my stereo show, which should be very fun. I'm actually really excited about this one. But Connor is getting lunch started for us. We're gonna have salads. Health queens.
Health queen.
He's just gonna have some veggies for us to use.
Well, thank God, considering what we ate this weekend.
I know, we were really bad this weekend, so we need to start turning this ship around. But very exciting, our bed got delivered.
What?
Oh my God, I can't wait to set that up.
I'm excited.
I know, me too, I'm so pumped.
Especially because someone takes up all the bed.
Seriously, Molly cut. Okay, salad is made, and I think that reaction tells you it all. It is so good. Got some salmon in there too.
Yummy.
Very yummy. I love when we get to take lunch at the same time.
Me too.
You were because I go for a high five.
Yes, I trained you well.
I know, we've switched positions. How are you doing, babe?
I'm good.
Okay, me too. Oh my God.
Just that easy.
We got the bed. All right, we managed to get the bed frame into the bedroom here. It was pretty heavy. But actually, once we switched positions, it was so much easier for me. Was that okay coming up for you?
Oh, no, yeah, fine.
Yeah, like it wasn't that bad all in all. But I was a little out of breath. Anyway, Connor is gonna work on taking apart the bed frame. I still have some more work to do, so that's what I'm gonna go do. But we're just taking some photos because we think more than likely we'll end up selling this bed frame. So
more than likely, we just threw out the idea of keeping a bed.
Yeah, in the office.
But then both of us wouldn't have a desk, which is like
or we would have to see.
But if we did a couch, like we definitely would have enough space.
Oh yeah, totally, and it would be a pull-out couch ideally, so that we would still have a bed in there, but it's more functional when we're not. So anyway, more than likely this will be sold. I guess we're gonna play around with the idea a little bit, but we wanted to take some photos with it made. Now we're gonna take all the stuff off and take some photos of the bed frame just as is, and then Connor's gonna work on taking it apart.
Yeah, we are so excited for a king bed though.
Oh my God, I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like and everything. Oh, I am pumped.
It's funny, I was talking to my mom and she was like going over how excited she was the first time she got a king bed.
A king bed? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like it's
revolutionary.
Special. I know, I told Tara like the bed got here today and she's like, wow, welcome to king life because it's going to be exceptional. Miss Molly Cat, shall we check in on Connor? Hello.
Hey, baby.
How's it going?
Going pretty good.
Just coming to check in on your progress.
Oh man, this is not moving, this one.
No? Okay, are you just gonna hang out in here while I do the stereo show?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Okay, perfect. I'm going live for that in 20, FYI.
20?
Yep.
Perfect.
Okay, Molly Cat, come on. Out we go. Out, out. Good girl. We're leaving Coco alone. Just grabbing some water before we begin. Let's do this thing. Got my very fancy setup in here with our mattresses from our old bed. And this is where I shall be recording. It's very exciting. Just want a spot where it would be quiet and I could stay out of Connor's way, and so this is it today. All right, another one down. I tried to find a place to like set up my camera, but there really was no good place, but we did it. One to go. Just a reminder again that there will be another one up. My very last one for now will be up on the day they're watching this, so be sure to come check it out. Now I just have like one more little work thing to do, and then we are done with work for the day. Woo-woo. How did the bed go?
So the bed's pretty good.
Were you able to get those like ones I've done that you couldn't get?
There's one little bit that just like won't come off, but like it's enough to like move
it.
Sure.
Okay, perfect. Wow, goodbye bed. It's over. I'm very excited for our new one. Okay everyone, we are done with the work for the day. Time to party. By party I mean time to put together a bed, which is not quite a party. Ooh. Oh my God, the sunset.
Yes.
Holy shit. Are you kidding me?
Decent views from
the camera is like not even close to doing this justice. It is so bright orange over here and so like pink up here. Oh my gosh. I am obsessed. I love living here so much. So pretty. Our camera died, but look at this bed.
Made for a king. And queen.
Wow, I am obsessed. I love it so much. I can't wait to get the mattress on there. We have our sheets and our comforter in the washing machine. We're gonna sleep like a king tonight.
Yeah, we are.
Very excited about the bed situation in there, not gonna lie. So Connor and I actually just played a round of Trivial Pursuit because we just felt like playing a little game before dinner, and I cooked dinner last night, so Connor is cooking dinner tonight, so I just get to relax. I'm very excited about, and Connor is making us tuna steak burritos. It's gonna be so good. Got my little cat here hanging out with me, which I always love. And also exciting, I am diving back into The Crown. I haven't watched it since we moved, but this is the season finale, so I'm very excited to see what will happen. Check it out. Dinner by Coco. Oh, wow. Oh man, I'm very excited. Yes. Look at that, looking good. Connor's gonna pour some fancy wine. Sorry, it's a little zoomed in right now. There we are. Yes. Connor bought us some fancy wines this weekend. We were debating whether we wanted to save this one because apparently it's the fanciest. But then I remembered it was Wine Wednesday and I was like, it's just right.
Fuck it, who cares? You buy it if you drink it, so.
I agree. All right, we're going into Game of Thrones. We're entering season 6 already. Very excited.
Yeah, we started, what, season 4?
Yeah, I think so.
I like it.
Molly Cat, are you loving king bed life? Look at that face. Oh my gosh,
Maybe
sweet as
bed,
pie.
made for this queen.
That's so true. Oh, thank you. So many kisses.
Molly, look
Look
how
at the
big
cat.
it is.
I know, I'm so excited. I just love that she's on literally the one sliver of sheet that happens to be on the actual bed.
She knows what's comfy.
Yeah, she
This
does.
is after we wake her up in the living room.
I know, right? All right, Molly, we're gonna make the bed now. Okay.
Thank you, cutie.
Yes, she's so cute.
Okay.
Wow, I am dying. I can't believe we get to sleep in this bed right now.
Right?
I actually really like this bedding. It's very pretty.
Me too.
It's sort of like a nice taupey. I have to upgrade to some king size pillows now. Mine are not king size, so the pillowcases are all slightly too large, as you can see here. But I'm gonna get some of those this weekend, I think.
Can't wait for Molly and I to cuddle up next to you.
Oh my gosh, yeah, I'm actually so excited to have so much space tonight. All right, everyone, that is it. It's a wrap, and I'm so excited to go to bed in my new king bed tonight.
Woo woo!
It's gonna be so good. I can't believe we have this. Thank you for watching today's vlog, though. Happy birthday if it's your birthday, and I will see you guys on Wednesday.